The first fact is snakes are outlawed in Hawaii. Surfing was invented in Hawaii. The people of Hawaii consume the most spam. The box that I got is the premium box. I believe $34 a month. And it did come with a drink. The drink is actually in the fridge. But I have some chips here. The first chip is Hawaiian kettle style potato chips. And this one is sweet and spicy luau barbecue. Maui style onion. Hawaiian candy bread. And this one, it's chocolate mochi. So this one here, I believe is plum candy. And they gave me 3 of those. Kona Crunch macadamian with Rice Crisp. I guess it's a Rice Krispie with macadamians in it. Okay, you guys, I only have one of these left, and that's because I did open the box. Me and my boyfriend did open it and eat this one. So it came with like 3. Made in Hawaii. I can't read the bottom. And we have some more macadamia candy bar. The flavor on this is passion fruit. Last one is this. Oops, too bright. In these from 1 to 5, this is a 6. Barbecue chips. It has a regular potato chip look. So we're gonna go in. Wow, this chip is good. It has a spice, it has a pepper in it. I'm gonna try the drink next. Blend coffee with milk. I'm gonna pour that. I'm just gonna let that sit. What I'm gonna try is these choco mochi. Guys, my boyfriend made Johnny cake. It came out good too. This mochi thing, it tastes very hard, kind of like crunch. Have you guys ever went to a movie theaters and they have like the crunch in the little pack? It tastes just like that. My coffee here. One out of 5, that's a 0. To these chips, which are onion. I don't know. It just tastes like bare onion. Like it don't have any. You see how sour cream and onion has that tangy but sweet and salty taste? This one, it just feels like I would eat a raw onion. I'll try this one. The Rice Krispie Reese's Pieces cup, the way it's like in the little thing. That tastes exactly just like I don't know how to pronounce the name. All I know is it's a little candy, chocolate candy, and it has a hazelnut in the inside, and it has like a shell. We have the candy bread. Let's see if this tastes good. That tastes just like a freaking birthday cake. I would rate that a 3 out of 5. Had haichu before with the Japan Snackcrate, but just not this flavor. This flavor, yep, it is the passion fruit flavor. Look at it. It has something in it. This like tastes good. So the next snack I'm gonna be trying is this. Oh, there we go. It looks just like turtles, and it tastes like it too, exactly like how turtles would taste. And I give that out of 1 out of 5, 5. Plum candy. So I think it's like a sweet and sour candy. It doesn't taste bad. This, I've already tried this before, and I rate this a 2 out of 5, basically because it doesn't really have a pineapple taste. It doesn't have a taste, period. It's like eating like a regular gummy. So this is the one. I don't know what the name of it is. Let me find out. You guys send it Popeye's biscuit. I'm gonna have to drink this nasty ass coffee to wash down that nasty ass snack. To sum up everything, all the snacks that I did try, they were good. Like, probably one snack, which is this one and the drink. This snack crate was pretty bomb. I'm not gonna lie, pretty bomb. But to conclude this, make sure you sign up with Snackcrate. Right now, Snackcrate is having a special where you can just sign up the first month for $1. You can't go wrong with $1. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Comment down below, what do you think the next snack crate would be? I really want to know, like, what will be the next month? Would they do anything with the Virgin Islands, like with our snacks? Because we do have snacks as well.